Hello everyone, welcome to my new video tutorial. Today I am going to show how to use single and multiple DS18B20 temperature sensor with Arduino. The DS18B20 is a one-wire digital temperature sensor. It can measure the temperature of the air, liquids like water, and the temperature of the soil. Each 18B20 temperature sensor has a unique 64-bit serial code. This allows you connect multiple sensors to the same data wire. So we can get temperature from multiple sensors using just one Arduino digital pin. There are two common types of DS18B20 sensor available in the market. One looks exactly like a normal transistor and another version is a pre-wired waterproof probe with heatsink. I am using waterproof version of the DS18B20 sensor. It has 3 wires, ground, data and VCC. DS18B20 sensor specification communicates using one-wire method. Power supply range 3 volt to 5.5 volt. Temperature measuring range minus 55 degrees Celsius to 125 degrees Celsius. Accuracy plus minus 0.5 degrees Celsius between the range minus 10 degrees Celsius to 85 degrees Celsius. Output resolution 9-bit to 12-bit programmable. Unique 64-bit address enable multiplexing. I am going to build my circuit on a breadboard. So I need a breadboard, Arduino Uno board, DS18B20 temperature sensor, 16x2 LCD display, some jumper cables, 10 kΩ potentiometer, 4.7 kΩ pull-up resistor, 330 ohms resistor. This is the circuit schematic for DS18B20 interfacing with Arduino. The link of the schematic I will give below the video description. You can easily download the schematic from the link. First of all, I am connecting the LCD display with Arduino following the circuit schematic. If you don't know how to connect an LCD display with Arduino, you can watch my LCD interfacing tutorial. The tutorial you can find below the video description. Now I am connected 4.7 kΩ resistor between VCC and data wire of the temperature sensor. The pull-up resistor keeps the data transfer stable. The red wire is VCC connected to the Arduino 5 board and the black wire is ground connected to the Arduino ground. The yellow wire is data connected to the Arduino digital pin 9. Now we need two different external libraries for the DS18B20 temperature sensor. One is called the Delos temperature library and another one is one-wire library. First of all, we need to download these two libraries and add these libraries with Arduino IDE. I have already downloaded these libraries, so I include these libraries with Arduino IDE according to showing procedure. The link of this library I will give below the video description. You can easily download the library from the link. This is the source code of our project. Here I include 3 different header files. The liquidcrystal.h is for LCD, onewire.h and Delos temperature.h are for the DS18B20 temperature sensor. Next, initialize the Arduino pins that are connected with LCD. Define the Arduino pin that is connected to the sensor data wire. Here, create an one-wire instance to communicate with any one-wire device. Pass our one-wire reference to Delos temperature sensor. Two float type variables have been declared. In the setup section, initialize the LCD, CL monitor and DS18B20 temperature sensor. In the loop section, call sensor.requestTemperature to issue a global temperature and request to all devices on the bus. Next, to get the temperature value in Celsius, use the sensor.getTemp C by index 0. 0 refer to the first sensor of the wire. Here, sensor.to Fahrenheit Celsius used to convert the Celsius value in Fahrenheit. These lines are used to print the Celsius and Fahrenheit values to the CL monitor. Next lines are used to show the value on LCD display. Now select the correct board and port option, then upload the code to the Arduino. the temperature is showing on the LCD display. Let's check the performance of the sensor. First of all, I bring a glass of normal water and put the sensor into the water. We can see that the temperature is decreased. Next, I try with a hot soldering iron. Now the temperature is increasing. This is the circuit schematic of multiple DS18B20 sensor interfacing with Arduino. Here I am using 3 temperature sensors. First of all, I replace the 16x2 LCD display with 20x4 LCD display. Then I connect all the 18B20 sensors in parallel. That means all the VCC pins, ground pins and data pins are common connection. A 4.7 kilo ohm resistor connect between VCC and data wire. Next, I connect the VCC pins to the 5 volt and ground pin to the ground. The data pins are connected to the Arduino digital pin 9. This is the source code for the multiple DS18B20 sensors interfacing. The link of the source code I will give below the video description. You can easily download the source code from the link. We can see that all the 3 sensors temperatures are showing the LCD display. Let's check the performance of these sensors. As before, here I bring a glass of normal water and put the sensor into the water one by one. Similarly, the temperature is decreased, showing the display. Thank you for watching my video. I will be back with my new video tutorial.